Hi, welcome back. This video will explain what is a cockpit and how to install it. You can easily monitor and manage multiple Linux computers with Cockpit, a browser-based administration and dashboard tool. It's self-contained, simple to set up, and easy to use. We'll show you how to get started. Okay, the first thing you have to do is open Terminal, log in as root and update your systems. Cockpit makes GNU/Linux discoverable. See your server in a web browser and perform system tasks with a mouse. It's easy to start containers, administer storage, configure networks, and inspect logs. After all the updating process is complete, we can start installing the cockpit with the apt-get install cockpit command. And we wait until the install process is complete. After the install is complete, to enter the cockpit you can open a web browser with the URL localhost port 9090. To log in you must use the same username and password on your system. In this case, I use the Ubuntu name as my user and password. Now, let's try logging in. Cockpit Start menu provides information from your server, such as system informations, health system, usages and configurations. We can directly change the host name via the cockpit of the web browser. We can also restart and shut down the server via the cockpit. You can also see all logs that occur on the system from your server, starting from info logs, error logs and others. You can also filter the log search according to what you want. Logs that are presented in the Cockpit web browser is quite complete. You can view warning logs, alerts, emergency, only emergency, critical logs and many more. On the storage menu, we can see all detected partitions on the hard disk on the system. We can see the capacity of the hard disk, the remaining space on the hard disk and the amount of space that has been used. Besides that, we can also see the live reading and writing status of the hard drive in graphic form. On the networking menu, you can see the IP address of your system, the current traffic from the network, both the packet receive and the send packets. Here, you can also see the logs of the network system. On the account menu, you can see all the accounts recorded on your system. Here you can add user accounts, edit passwords and add SSH keys to the system. In the Services section, we can see all the services currently running on the system. All services are divided into several classifications, such as System Services, Targets, Socket, Timers, and Paths. On the Other menu you can see installed applications and software updates that need to be updated. And most importantly, in the cockpit of a web browser you can also directly use the terminal as you would normally use a terminal. Okay, that's all. Enough of the video this time. Hopefully it can be useful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you.